Hello everyone, this is Kindraw channel. Today let's see how to draw rings, a cyclic chain and snaking chain. Rings are on the lower palette, including cyclopentadiene, benzene, cyclopropene, cyclobutene, cyclopentene, cyclohexene, cycloheptene, cyclooctene, and cyclohexantier. If you need to draw a single ring, just select the corresponding template. Click and drag in the document to orient the ring. If you click an atom or bond with a ring tool in an existing structure, the ring is fused to it. Similarly, you can change the angle of the ring by holding and rotating. You can also click on an existing bond and use it as an edge to add a connected ring. A cyclic chain is also in the lower toolbar. It helps us draw multiple single bonds in a row. Press and drag to add a chain of bonds. By sliding up, down, left, and right, you can change the display and the number of bonds. The number on the chain represents the number of carbon atoms. Next to the acyclic chain is the snaking chain. It can help add a nonlinear chain of multiple bonds and form different rings. Select the snaking chain, drag to adjust the direction to draw continuously and form a ring. Thanks for watching. We will release English PC version soon, so the next video may about the Kindraw PC. You can also leave a message below or find us on Twitter or Facebook. See you next time.